What's up YouTube? It's Daisy, the hostess with the mostest, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the HP Omen gaming laptop. Now let me give you a little bit of background to the foreground. I've ordered two of these. This is the 15.6-inch display packing the 1050 Ti graphics card, but I also ordered the behemoth 17-inch display packing the 1060 graphics card. Now I haven't decided which of the two I'm going to keep, but I will be reviewing it in action later on down the road, so maybe you guys can chime in and tell me which one you think I should keep. But anyway, as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe below and leave any comments, and let's get to this unboxing.
California dreaming about you.
Okay guys, so let's start with this unboxing. But like I said in my opening segment, I did a lot of homework on YouTube, you know, following the fellow YouTubers that were reviewing the heck out of this thing. And the only thing that I found confusing was that, you know, obviously HP makes different model numbers. And, you know, and if that's not bad enough, all the different specs, the graphic cards, all of this stuff, right? Now, I do my video editing on Shotcut using a desktop computer. I have a Lenovo that I've had for about 4 years. That thing is running an Intel Pentium, you know, CPU, 3 gigahertz, but it's only got 4 gigs of RAM, right? So obviously, you know that my editing is sometimes a little sluggish, sometimes it just freezes, you know, all of that good stuff, right? And I've been reading, you know, and getting up on my fellow YouTubers when they say, you know, to edit video, you need a lot of RAM. So since I was in the market for a laptop, this one, you know, came on my radar, the HP Omen. And like I said, I went ahead and ordered the 15.6-inch display first. And let me give you the specs of that one real quick. This one was an HSN special. I got free shipping, all of that good stuff, right? Full HD, Intel Core i7, the quad core, 8 gigs of RAM, 1 TB HDD, and 128 on an SSD, right? So this is what this one is. And the model number for this one is AX210NR. Now, after I ordered this from HSN, and I'm waiting for it to get delivered, I decided to go over to the HP, their website, and punch in this particular model number. And I'm not coming up with anything. So I called customer service for HP, and I asked them, hey, what's up with this, you know, AX210NR? And they tell me that they no longer are making or supporting that particular model number. And a lot of the other, one of the other things that was very confusing to me also was that there was also like a 2015 version or an early 2017 version, or I don't know, they came out with like, I don't know, 15 different versions of this laptop, right? So I said to myself, wow, you know, I don't really want something, you know, that HP is no longer, you know, stating that they're no longer making. Not to say that there's anything wrong with it, because obviously HSN is still selling them. So I decided to go ahead and order the 17-inch with better specs and a better price from HP that very same day, right? And the specs, let me just move this over so you guys can see. And truth be told, I really do like the presentation and the box of the one that came from HSN. When I opened it up, let me just show you guys real quick, because it's not fair to not show, right? Let me just spin this around. It's a beautiful laptop. I mean, that's another thing. I'm not a gamer, but obviously I did my homework. I'm going to leave the links in the description below so you guys can go to the same YouTubers that really broke this and spec this thing to death, okay? You know that on my channel, I don't do that. I basically will give you some of the specs, what made me buy it, and I'm just going to give you my honest opinion if this thing is better than my desktop for video editing, because that's all I'm going to use it for, okay? So the presentation on the HSN one for the 15-inch screen, you know, it's a really, really beautiful laptop. You know, let me see if you can see it. And basically, I haven't even turned this thing on. I haven't really done anything. Haven't turned it on. Haven't done anything because since I ordered the one from HP, I said, well, let me wait for the 17-inch one to come. And then I will be able to compare and see which one I want to keep. Because obviously, I don't need two laptops. So anyway, so here is the 15.6, right? This is also the HD display, all of that good stuff. I almost was going to get that 4K display. But my videos look pretty good on 1080. So I figured, you know what? I'm not going to drop another $200 or $300 or whatever the heck it was for the 4K screen. So I'm going to, you know, I got the HD screen, 1080. That should suffice. So anyway, so let me just put this one out the way. But I do like the presentation of this one. I don't know why HP is no longer making this particular model, but we shall see. So anyway, so now here comes the big one. And this is the first time that I'm actually, hope you can see it. This is the first time that I'm actually opening it up. I got it today. I've been waiting for it because I figured the winner wins. Whichever feels better, looks better, acts better. That's the one I'm going to keep. So now let me give you, before I open it up, let me give you the specs on the one that I ordered directly from HP. And the specs for this one are, let me see, I hope you can see that, guys. These are the specs, right? So here I'm getting a full-size island-style backlit keyboard. I'm getting a security software trial. This one has 16 GB of storage versus the 15 that was only 8. So this one has 16 RAM, that's 8, right? It's got the Intel blah 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 Wi-Fi Bluetooth. You got an Office software trial, 17.3 Full HD IPS UWVA 1920 by 1080, and I have no idea what the heck a G-Sync is. Maybe you guys can leave a comment below. Maybe I missed something because the 15-inch doesn't have that G-Sync. So I'm gonna have to find the YouTube one of the gurus and see what the heck that's about. It's coming with Windows 10 Home, HD webcam, dual mic, 6-cell lithium battery. It's got this Intel 7700 HQ, and the graphics card is the 1060, where the graphics card on the 15-inch is the 1050 Ti. So, you know, I guess 1060 is better than 1050 Ti, right? So we'll see about that. And I don't have an internal, you know, drive. I didn't want that because I already have the 17-inch is coming with 1 TB, 7200 RPM SATA drive, and 512 on the SSD drive. So I think this sucker is packing a lot of power. I don't know about you, but I'm almost afraid to turn the darn thing on. You know, I'm so used to my small Lenovo, and frankly, even with 4G of RAM, I can render a video, even though, you know, it is a little bit on the sluggish side while I'm editing. On my Lenovo, a 15-minute video takes me about 40 to 45 minutes after it's done and it's rendering. So that's not too bad. I mean, I'm assuming that with this thing, I'm going to be rendering, what, in warp speed? So, you know, I will make a video when it's up and running. You know, I'll let you know which one I decided to keep. But let's go ahead and do this unboxing thing, because I just got it today and I was dying for it to come because I've been staring at the 15.6 from the 15-inch from HSN, and I've been staring at that thing for about 2 weeks, and I was dying for HP to, you know, get with the program and send me this one. So let's go ahead and unbox it before I continue to babble on. Okay, so let's go this. And again, this is, you know, they give you a box, right? This is directly from HP, right? And the presentation on the other one was much nicer. I like, you know, I like nice boxes and things like that. But anyway, let's see what this top box is. Okay, so here, you're getting the, I'm assuming that this heavy brick thing is the battery pack, the charging thing. Okay, so you get one of those. Here's the plug for it. God, it's humongous. And here's like documentation, limited warranty, all that good stuff, right? Okay, so that's in that first box. So let's go see what this thing actually looks like. Ooh, I think I I think I opened it backwards. Okay, hold on. Well, at least they wrap it up pretty good. Wow, it is heavy. Okay, you heard it first here. It's heavy. Way heavier than the 15.6. I don't know how I feel about that. I really wanted something so that I don't have to always be at my desktop. I could also, work, in the comfort of my bed. And, so I'm just hoping that this thing is heavy. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unbox it. See what we got here. Why do they always make everything like a Tylenol bottle? Okay. Woo! I gotta say, folks, hope you can see that. It is heavy. Now, one thing that I'm gonna say is that, you see the texture on here? Let me just come over here a second and see if I can see. Let me get this out the way. Oh, it's the same texture. Okay, so it's the same texture. I could have sworn that the other one was more rubbery in feel, but I was told that this was plastic anyway from the fellow YouTube reviewers. So let's just open it up. Woo, man, she's humongous. What can I tell you? Yeah, this is the one. This is the one that I wanted. Yeah, she feels good too. Yeah, so, this is what you get in the box. You get, like, again, this thing is heavy. So I don't know how that's going to do on my lap. But, they also give you this humongous, like, quick setup thing. So I guess I'm going to have to, like, do some homework and read and all of that good stuff, right? So this is a lot of the stuff that you get inside here. So you get the charging thing, the brick thing, the charging brick. And man, I gotta say, this must be a powerful laptop because this thing is heavy. Okay, and then you get this quick setup with all your quick setup guide. Okay, so like I said, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm happy that I got it. I will be plugging this one in tonight because, I mean, not that I want to state my age or anything like that, but you know what? I sort of like a bigger screen, the glasses, I got to be wearing glasses, and I don't know, with the 1060 on here, I'm assuming that I'm going to have a little bit more power than the 1050 Ti, right? So I don't know if you guys want to chime in and try to steer me in the right direction, but I'm going to plug this baby in tonight. And see, plug it in and see what this thing can do. I mean, again, I'm not a gamer. And I didn't really like, a lot of those gaming machines because they just look like really far, they look like real far out. Like, I guess like if you're young and you want a gaming machine, I guess that's the way that you want it to look. I did review the Alienware. And what's the other one? There's one more called ROG, R-O-G. I think Asus makes that one. But you know what? For the money and the specs, I think I got some pretty damn good specs from HP. And if I'm not mistaken, this one with the specs, I think I got it for around $1,200, right? The 15.6, I think I got for, truth be told, $1,100. So I don't know if HSM was trying to rob me or what, but I don't know. I'm going to plug in the 17.1, play with it for a couple of days, and then when I'll come back and review it and let you know which one I decided to keep. So don't forget to like and subscribe below. And if you've got an idea, listen, help a fellow YouTuber out and let me know which one you think that I should keep. Is it really a difference between the 1060 and the 1050i if I so desire to keep the smaller one instead of this heavy thing? Go ahead and chime in the comments and let me know. But I will be coming back with a full on-board review. I'm going to see if I can edit off this thing, see how good it is, how fast it is, and if it was worth the amount of money that I've spent on it. Okay, guys, so I'll see you around soon. And don't forget to look me up for the part 2 to this thing, okay? Ciao!